Hey, yo, Chevy, hold this L, fam. Hey. What up, y'all? It's your boy Whisper Things. So let's get to the things that I hate about my Camaro, man. I don't hate my Camaro. It was actually kind of hard for me to make this video. I mean, I was sort of searching for things that I didn't like about my car. But sure enough, I've got a couple of them that just drive me nuts, man. And this is the first one that, like, I noticed and I could not stand. It's such a simple thing for Chevy to take care of. They could have made everybody's lives 1,000 times happier, and it's just them being lazy on their part. The first thing I noticed on my car is, let's just say we're chilling here. Sorry about the sun, y'all. I can get the glare off of there. So if you're in drive and you open up your door, come on, man, you gonna put the old Chevy fucking Camaro on there?
Why?
You guys seriously couldn't put a new body style. You couldn't hire your IT guys, whoever in the hell, to do a little 3D image of the new body style, man. That is like, that's just lazy. That was the first thing I noticed, and it drives me nuts on this car, man. The next thing I can't stand about my Camaro is that you can't rev past 4,000 RPMs. I've got the standard, or I've got the A8 transmission, so we already get enough flack on the forums. I came from a manual transmission, so I've been there, done that. This is my daily driver, so having the automatic transmission, it's actually kind of nice for a daily driver. I'm glad I'm not shifting through 6 damn gears every day, every time I'm pulling away. So I've been there, done that with the manual. I can drive a manual, so some of y'all can shut your mouth. I definitely can drive a manual. But I can't stand how you can't rev past 4K. I'm about to get this Corsa exhaust and put it on my car, but now rolling down the road, I can't throw it into neutral and blip the throttle. Why, Chevy? Why would you do this to us? I mean, I know Chevy does it so that people don't rev it up in neutral and drop it down into drive, but this car got enough power. You don't need to drop it into drive just to get the wheels to break loose. It's stupid, man. I mean, I can't, or at least let us do it if it's in park. I mean, we can't even do it when it's in park. It's fucking gay. I'm gonna be honest. I mean, no offense to nobody out there. I don't mean that in no type of negative way, but yeah, this shit, it's fucking whack that you can't do that, Chevy. I mean, I thought Chevy was car people, man. Come on, man. Come on. The next thing I got that bothers me about my Camaro, I mean, it's true. The visibility in this thing, it's shit. Straight up. The visibility is shit in these Camaros. I mean, as you guys can see here, let me roll down my window. Look how high this damn door sill is. Can you guys see where my shoulder is and how I got to go up? And then when I'm trying to get food into my car, if I'm picking up McDonald's or whatever, man, trying to get it through this little window here, man, it drives me crazy. And these side mirrors ain't worth nothing. Look at all you can see, man. I try to see my wheels. I can't see my wheels or nothing. And I got 11-inch wide wheels in the back, man. So thank God for the side detection system. It definitely helps out. Here's the cockpit.
Okay.
Here's the cockpit view. As you guys can see, I mean, yeah, I see a lot of people say, oh, all you need to see is in front of you. That's all that matters. Yeah, that's cool, but I mean, I can't even see the edge of my hood. Like, look how close I am to the sun visor just to see the top of the hood. You can't even see the front of it. So yeah, the blind spots in this thing are trash. There's a little rear view mirror. As you guys can see, I record on my iPhone. I got an iPhone 11 Pro. But yeah, I mean, the rear view's crap too. Luckily, we've got the rear view camera. Now this shit right here, this saved your life for real. Sorry about the glare there, y'all. But yeah, I mean, thank God for the rear view camera. Chevy, you got that right. I've got the side detection system on my car, so that definitely helps out too. All of that is nice, but overall still, you can't see nothing out of this damn car. And if you look at these back windows, what type of little window is that? I mean, you can't see anything out the side of your car. It's just all panel back there. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, what are they really gonna do about it? I'm really not complaining that much. I still drive this car every day. I don't have any complaints about it. You just learn to work with it. But anybody out there that says the blind spots ain't that bad, y'all lying to yourselves. Now the next thing I gotta say that I don't like. I love the way the interior on this car looks, But honestly, I mean, everything in here is plastic. It's like, come on, man. This is all plastic. Can you guys hear that? Like, come on, Chevy. It's all plastic. It looks nice and everything, but it's all plastic. I don't know, man. I just don't like it that much. I see some people say the older body styles didn't have so much plastic. I don't know. I don't like all the plastic. It sort of makes it look cheap for a car this nice. I mean, I guess they spent all their money on the motor or whatever, but there's just a lot of plastic in here. Underneath the doors, there's these little door seals here. I don't know if you guys can see them there, but they rattle. That's a big problem in these cars too, is the door rattle with the speakers, man, because the bass is all on these side doors right here. And so, yeah, they rattle if you got the Bose system. But yeah, I just don't like the plastic. It's something that they just cheaped out on that wasn't even necessary. Same thing, the shifter paddles too. I mean, they do got a nice feel, a nice sound. They're crisp. They're not cheap. They don't feel cheap at all, but still, it's just so much plastic. It's totally overdone. All this crap right here is plastic. It looks good, but I don't know. I just wish they would have did that a little bit differently, honestly. And then the last thing I got that's not really a complaint, because there's some times where I like it, but I came from a Mustang and I only had a 15-gallon tank, man. And this guy, it's a 19-gallon tank. Like, what is this, a fucking truck or something? Like, what do you got a 19-gallon tank for? So I can't ever let it get all the way E on this thing, because it costs me so damn much money to fill up. I mean, it's usually like 60, 65 bucks if you fill up from zero, or if you fill up from empty. And I'm out here in California, so y'all know the gas prices ain't here. They be taxing on us on the gas prices out here. So yeah, those are my complaints. I mean, they're things that I'll live with. You know, everybody's got complaints about their car. Everybody has an issue with their car about little things, but it's nothing where I would ever consider trading this thing in. The way this thing handles, I mean, I can't tell you guys enough about the suspension on this car, man. But anyways, this your boy Whisper Thing, man. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to your boy. Come fuck with me. I'm up out of here, man. Peace.